The noise level for 11 meters is really good. It's like an S1 or S2. It's a real quiet noise floor on sideband, but let's just see what it is on AM. It's more noise, see? It's like an S3. Now, on sideband, it's like an S2. Let's compare that with 10 meters. Look at that, y'all. So that means that 10 meters is even less noisy than 11 meters. There's like no noise on that. Let me make sure my gain is at 50. It's at 50. Maybe there's, you know, S1 maybe. Let's go off that frequency and see. It's about an S1, y'all. And let's go back to the 11 meters for listening on 11 meters, just listening. There's some skip coming in on receiving on 11 meters on channel 38. And if you put the preamp on,
1240 Wisconsin, sound good, man. Hey, 1240 Wisconsin, sound good, big brother. Get either side to you, 1240, Lawbreaker, Jamaica. I'm back in the bushes.
that's channel 38, sideband. Let's see. And I don't know what those other signals are over there, like right there, I don't know. It's kind of strange. Kind of interested to know what that signal is. Let's see. I don't know if that was a signal or not.
Sí, mañana es el Memorial Day y el lunes, más bien el lunes porque no van a laborar hasta el martes. Inician labores. Sí, pues a ver si encuentras, ahí si encuentras un 706 de Icon, cómpratelo, es muy buen radio, tira así en WhatsApp. Y ahí para la portable te va a servir el 706 de Icon, el NK2.
That's a good signal, but it's not in the ham bands. It's I don't think it's even in the, that's not even in the CB 11 meter band. That's strange. I don't know what that signal will be then. Let's see here. Thought I heard a station.
That's the last time I tell you, don't call my name when I ain't on the radio, man. I know you were trying to talk. Please don't call my name when I'm on the radio, man. That's all I'm asking. Don't call my name when I'm not on the radio. I'm 10-7.
That's Skip on channel 6, Super Bowl 6.
Man. He called.
Let's see here. Anyways, y'all, that's just listening on 11 meters. You could listen with the radio on 11 meters, and it's just kind of interesting. But yep, you could listen on 11 meters. This is Josh Hayes. Have a wonderful day, 73, and God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.